Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use Pinterest website for the affiliate marketing promotion for the Amazon product. See here, I have taken an Amazon product with this link, with the affiliate link. I already have an Amazon affiliate link. So if you click on this visit site, this will directly leads to that particular product page. So how you can do this? In this video, I'll clearly explain what are the do's and don'ts and how you can post a product like this on Pinterest, okay, and with following the Pinterest guidelines. First of all, I assume you already have an Amazon affiliate account where when you browse through any product you will get this option get link. Okay, if you don't know how to create Amazon affiliate link, I already did a video tutorial, just check in the description. So when you log into your Pinterest homepage, okay, maybe I'll be just browsing through pinterest.com, and for this affiliate marketing on the Pinterest you need this Pinterest business account. If you don't know how to switch from personal account to business account in the Pinterest, I already did a video tutorial, just check in the description for that video also. So you need to click on these three bars, then click on create pin. As usual, it will ask for the save from URL, or you can just upload an image or a video. In this tutorial, I'll upload an image from my computer. So this is the image. So I want to promote this affiliate link, right? So I just uploaded this picture. Where is this? Here, right? Here. Coming to the title, you can give best title of your choice. Sorry, I have noted this in the notepad. Yeah, here I'll copy this, and coming to the description you need to mention hash affiliate or hash uh, ad. This is mandatory because you're telling Pinterest that it is a affiliating promotional post or promotional video. This is mandatory. If not, there are chances that your post may be removed or your account may be terminated. Okay, you need to give this section, okay, that you need to remember. Coming to the link, you can copy the Amazon affiliate link and paste it here. Add a link. Coming to the board, if you already created a board, you can select here home useful products. I already created. If not, just create a new one, maybe trimmers like this. So in this case I won't be creating, I'll be adding the default one, and that's it. I can publish this, but before publishing you need to read these two articles from the official Pinterest website. So this is about the affiliate marketing guidelines and some rules. Generate a unique product link with your affiliate link. When the user clicks on that, it should directly goes to the product link. Say for example, when a user clicked on this visit site, it should directly lead to the product, and the title and the description what you give on this page should reflect that in the product page. These two things you need to remember. Okay, you need to read all these terms and conditions. Along with this, you need to read these conditions also. There are some do's and don'ts. See here, cannot promote or sell these items: cigarettes, tobacco products, electronic cigarettes, and firearms or weapons, something like this. Cannot encourage or depreciate excessive consumption of alcohol or drugs. See, these are all the rules, do's and don'ts you need to read. Disrespect for human dignity, exploitation, violence or hate, these all things are prohibited according to the community guidelines and advertising guidelines. Once read this page, okay, and then you can follow all these guidelines and then post it. So if you click on publish, your pin has been published. You can save it, and when you click on this visit website, this will directly leads to the, sorry, I gave the wrong link actually here. Yeah. So in this way actually you can use Pinterest for the Amazon affiliate marketing. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.